Messiano.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you know you from the best varsity out there, I'm going to need you to get off your seats. I'm going to need to see your hands in the sky. This is how we do it, cause this is the only way we know how to do it. UJ, show some love. UJ, make some noise. This is how we do it. We do it.
We do it, UJ. That's the only way. We do it, UJ. Come on, let's play. We do it, UJ. This is how we bounce. We do it, UJ. Listen to how it sounds. We do it, UJ. Yeah, we are the... Alright, it is Varsity TV, reviving campus culture, engaging with all students from all 4 campuses. And man, what an awesome experience it's been. We got the opportunity to engage with apps. Now on today's episode, I'm bringing you part 2 of the 2014 official opening function and Power Speak, proudly brought to you by APSIP. Now we got the great opportunity of engaging with one of South Africa's inspiring and powerful entrepreneurs. He goes by the name of Dibello, better known as Teebs, Mr. Showlove himself. Let's not waste any more time. Bringing you APSIP, UJ, all the way.
Man, that's how we grind, where everything's happening, no, we don't go with the flow. SWC is the place, into weirdo. We're making it rain, we're making it snow, yeah, that's how we roll. APK, APB, we on top of y'all. We on top, better than the rest, put us to the best, yeah, we are the best. And this is how we do it, UJ. That's the only way, we do it, UJ.
Glamorous lives on social networks, you know, and obviously it's business, and obviously it's, you know, we gotta attract people, but don't forget about the basics. I'm very happy.
We do it, UJ. Early we have a ball. We do it, UJ.
Right here, Bunting Road campus, University of Johannesburg, and it's all about Varsity TV, reviving campus culture, speaking to influential people, man. Right now, I don't even want to mention the name. You're probably going crazy as you see, right? You're probably actually smiling, you know? So I'll let the brother, the most influential brother I know today, you know, introduce himself. And man, for the people back at home, the students here at the University of Johannesburg, please tell them who you are and what you're about.
Wow. I'm Dibello, Teebs Motswana. I'm a 31-year-old guy from Katlo. I went to Wits Tech once upon a time, and then Wits University. I started a company called Showlove. It basically started off as literally as a party. Like Showlove used to be a monthly party. You know, then I started managing DJs, and managing artists, and then doing various activations and marketing for different brands. And then we started Head Honcho Clothing, which is the first and only local brand in the sports scene. You know, and we're in Nigeria now, and we're in Kenya now. So we're growing. I'm a shareholder in Sway Stanton in Benmore, which we opened last March. Yeah, last March.
Yeah.
So what else?
Man, I mean, you've covered it, and there's still more. I mean, it never stops, right?
It can't stop.
It can't stop. It can't stop. As you've heard, it is a very influential man, active in many areas of business and entrepreneurship. My brother, as I said, you're an inspiration to many people. But here on Varsity TV, we don't just ask the questions that you can read in a textbook. We want to know the practicality of it, you know, because you did it, and you actually applied your experience, your knowledge, and more, especially your passion, into whatever you wanted to do. What are the secrets? What are the secrets? The simple question is based on that. What are the secrets from starting from 0, going to 100, seeing the 1,000, then there's the 100,000, and you know, the million, and it goes on. What are the key secrets?
Well, look, I think I don't think it's a secret. You know, I think you have to do the work, and doing the work is doing the small things. You know, I use sports a lot as an analogy, and you get stat sheets. You know, if you play basketball, you get points, you get rebounds, you get steals, you get assists, you get blocks. But there's things that you don't get on the stat sheet. You can box out, you can set screens, you can run fast breaks, you can take charges, and all these things are important in winning games, but they don't appear on the stat sheet.
you mentioned you're managing a few artists, you know, and I think that's for us, the youth people, or the people in the youth, the students here at the University of Johannesburg, you know. Would like to know a few people you're working with, a few artists that you've worked with. How have you grown? How many artists have you started with? And at this point, where are you as well?
Okay, I mean, I'm pretty sure most people know of AKA.
Yeah.
You know, he's doing well.
Very well.
He's doing fine.
Very well.
You know,
Yeah.
I mean, we've got a new guy called Chad the Don. He's coming up. He's gonna drop his album in August. Another guy, Chad Simon, he's an R&B soulful guy. And then very, very honored to be handling the legendary Sipiwe Dana.
Wow. And I'm sure it's a very humbling experience working with such influential people, you know, who are gifted differently as well.
Look, it's always humbling because at the end of the day, people are trusting you with their art. You know, and I take that very seriously. You know, if you're talented and you say, Teebs, take this and make it something, I take that very seriously. You know? So, because you know, no one wants to.
Up in love, let us dance, gems, no regrets. Come on, we popping champagne, swagging up, we party all the time.
Shout out to Varsity TV. I mean, firstly, I appreciate being here. You know, it's awesome that you can kind of merge people from different worlds. You know, I mean, I got to meet the Secretary General tonight. Never met him. Awesome. Thank you. You know,
Solid.
On top, better than the rest, best to the best, yeah, we are the best. And this is how we do it,
Without a doubt, a huge and well-deserving round of applause goes to all the ABSIP student leaders that were responsible for organizing such an amazing, significant, powerful event. So if you're a student and you want to know more about ABSIP and how to join and become a member of the student society, to do is follow them on @ABSIP_UJ, and man, you'll get all the information that you need on how to join and become a member, so that ultimately you can get empowered and network with all these amazing, influential people. But nonetheless, don't forget who we are. It's all about Varsity TV, reviving campus culture, bringing you all elements that affect students, as well as all those influential students that are doing something amazing. Student societies, residences, sports, community engagement. We will, as I said, I go by the name of Ren D, your #1 UJ Sheriff. And there's only one way I can close it, and that's by saying UJ all the way. Solid!
we do it UJ. This is how we bounce, we do it UJ. Listen to how it sounds, we do it UJ. Yeah, we are the best, we do it UJ. We always beat the rest, we do it UJ. Early we have a ball, we do it UJ. We make y'all very strong. Afslaan, put them hands up in the air. Crane suck, let me hear you make some noise out there. Bastion in the house, Andromeda is yo. So fire down, I'm a tuba, show us how you roll. Beautiful Schoenfeld, and also Benji's. Lebonne in the house, let me hear you please. Amber daar, where them beauty's at.